everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Joy and I am your instructor guiding you through this 10-minute Pilates ab exercise. We have a 30-day challenge going on right now and it is all levels, intermediate and beginner. We can start. There's no equipment needed. We're going to work on building our abdominals, strengthening our core muscles, getting to that title core we're looking for in an easy format. So if you're ready, get your mats and let's get into it. All right, everyone, we're going to start off with elbow plank. We're just going to breathe in slowly from our bellies, you guys, taking this slow. You can go ahead and bend your knees and place them on your mat for modification. We have 45 seconds on the timer. Like normal, we're going to have 10 to 15 seconds rest in between each movement. Five, four, three, two, one, rest. All right, now we're going to get ready for mountain climbers, high plank, making sure you guys can keep a steady pace, slow and controlled, or move a little bit faster. Whatever is best for you. Keep that breathing steady and controlled. Five, four, three, two, one, rest. We're going to be lying flat on our mats. And we're going to do mini leg lowers. So our legs are going to be fully extended. Our palms will be held beneath our lower back, and we're just going to pump up and down. We're not going to fully extend our legs to the ground and back, just in mid-air, really focusing on that inner middle core. Four, three, two, one, and rest. We're going to prepare for our next movement, which will be Russian twist. So you're gonna come all the way up in a seated position and twist from your left side to your right side. You can have your knees bent with your feet off of the mat. If you'd like, you can fully extend your legs to keep them straight, or you can keep your feet on the mat for modification purposes. Let's go, let's go. And rest. Fantastic. In the next movement, we're going to keep our knees bent and we're going to do some toe taps, single leg toe taps. So lying flat on our mats, our knees bent at 90 degrees. We're going to pick our feet up off the mat and we're going to lower one foot down at a time on the mat and back up, keeping the strength in our core by holding our knees at 90 degrees. and breathing. We can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. You guys are doing excellent so far. Keep up the good work. You'll only have a few more movements to go. I hope you can feel that your core is strengthening because mine is. Next movement, we're going to be in the same position and we're just going to do full toe taps. So our knees are bent at 90 degrees and slowly we're going to lower our knees from the air to the mat, or we're going to lower our heels from the air to the mat and back. Making sure we're using our abdominal muscles to lower our knees. This is very important mind to muscle connection. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. We're going to remain lying on our mats and we're just going to do some flutter kicks, you guys. Making sure our breath is steady, making sure our toes are pointed, and we have our palms beneath our lower back for support. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Our next movement will be leg extensions. So we're going to keep ourselves in the position lying on our mat. We're going to extend our legs out and then we're going to bend our knees and bring them back in towards the midline and extend them back out. Our palms are just flat on the mat beside us. You can put them underneath your lower back if you'd like. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our next movement will be side to side crunches. So we're going to, or leg extensions with crunches. So we're just gonna, I use my prop to help me rotate swifter from the left to the right side. So they're just in and out, side to side, in and out. I'm going quite fast. You can slow down if you like, or you can keep it at this pace. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Now we're going to do some hip extensions with our last movement. All we're going to do is rock our hips in the air, and then we're going to lift our lower body up using the strength of our core to pick our legs up in the air. Mind to muscle connection is key. You guys got this. few more pushes. You can do it. We can do it. I can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and finish. All right, you guys, that does it for day 10. I hope you worked out with me. Take a look at the other videos on the screen because they'll lead you to the rest of the playlist. But for now, like, comment, subscribe, and I would love to see you tomorrow for my next videos. And be on the lookout for a meal plan coming up later. See you, bye-bye, have a good day.